What is the future of smart manufacturing? We think about the length of time. Produces one pole of miniature circuit breaker every 1.5 seconds. We break the boundaries. Digital intelligence, flexible and accessible. We break through the limitations of imagination. Industrialization as a brain, opening intelligent thinking. This is Tengen Future Factory. We let the digitals empower the era. Open a new chapter of smart manufacturing. From factory layout to dynamic simulation, comprehensive optimization of factory management, faster response to customers' requirements. From concept design to product launch, full compliance with customer expectations. We make intelligence resonate with customers on the same frequency. Smart manufacturing benchmark. Deep integration of digitization system. Make every second count. Satisfy customer expectations with reliable quality. Empowering industry innovation with high-end intelligent manufacturing. Exceeding customer expectations. Branding with service. We strive for excellence in quality, exceeding the benefits of smart manufacturing. Each product undergoes rigorous testing and strict quality control. Big data analysis and full process quality control. Achieve zero defect delivery with strength. The efficient operation of the Tengen Industrial Internet Platform. Provide comprehensive support for new industrialization. Intelligent logistics integrates stocking, storing, sorting, and shipping, ensuring faster delivery of products to every customer. Join hands with world-leading partners in Tengen Smart Manufacturing, boosting the global revolution of green electricity. Tengen, reliable provider of smart power distribution solution. Reliable power for better life.